ಹೇ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? ನಾವು ಅದ ಊಟ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪಲಾವ್ and chicken. This is biryani, chicken biryani, chicken egg. Same. Chicken biryani, chicken. But she don't has egg. She don't has egg. I ate egg. But she mixed it with the rice. So I smashed it. ವೈಟ್ ಎಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್, ಅದು ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೋಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೈಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಓಯ್ ಶಿಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಕಮ್ ಓಯ್. There you go. This is bread. Okay. ನಾವು ಅರ್ಧ ಊಟ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡಾಯ್ತು ಗೈಸ್. Okay, when we gonna eat? Okay, let us start with water. Water. We. I spilled. She spilled water. Great. Okay, let us start eating. ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅವಳು ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮನೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಈಗ subscribe. She is 4th and 5th. So who cares? Subscribe my channel. Both. Okay. So ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇವಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರದ್ದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ನ. ಅವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅರ್ಧ ಊಟ ಆಗಲೇ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸರಿ, you said the countdown. 1 2 3 start. ರೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. Like last time we did race. This time no race. Where is your egg? Vomiting. ನಾವು ಶಾಂತಂ ಪಾಪಂ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶಾಂತಂ ಪಾಪಂ. Spicy. Guys, see here guys. Shantam papam. Om yum. Bro, it be hit try. Better. This is the last chicken now. My sister didn't get that. What is that? Chicken. And what is that so secret? What is this? Chicken. Mine is leg piece, right? Yeah. Yeah, mine is leg piece. Is that chicken nuggets? Mine is also leg piece. Is that chicken nuggets? Okay. Oh! Rice nuggets. Nuggets. Guys, nuggets. Chicken nuggets. How many times I will spill ya? Anya, side. Eat fast. You ate first. You only have this. 4.18. What? We need to go, yeah. Come fast. There's a bone in my food. There's a bone. Hey, baby, it's in the chan. Hey, baby. In the movie, go. I was in the last one. It's okay. Oh, in a box. Babu. Paper. ಬೇಗ ತಿನ್ನು ಮಚ್ಚ. Bad Big Boss. You like Big Boss or Sudeep? You like Big Boss or Sudeep? Big Boss, Big Boss. I like Sudeep because he's famous. I love Sudeep because he's famous. I hate Big Boss. Always fighting. No, our head is not looking only. Only our that part is our shoulder head also. Hey! Hey, B! Oh my god! So bye guys, we ate. Bye. Get out. Get on our channel. Don't subscribe to her channel. Don't subscribe to her channel. She's loser. Subscribe our both channel. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. You. Get